Hello, Nevis here. I'm going to show you the activity for my week in the Teaching EFL to Young Learners EVO 2020 session. Let's go to it right now. Let's have a look first where you will find Activity 3. Activity 3 is in my week, which opens up on the 26th of January, and it will be straight after the live webinar on that day. The activity is here and it will only be available after you have completed reading, theory and discussing. These 3 boxes must be ticked before you can open the activity for the board game. Now I'm going to show you basically what you're required to do. You'll be required to go to a link, and it's this one here. So I already have that open, so I'm going to go over to this website and I want to create a board game. If it's not already there, you can click on it, but I am already in the board game. So just click it again just to show you, and I'm going to choose any one of these. So we'll choose, let's for argument's sake, hobbies, images and texts. You can choose any one. Now I've chosen my images. If I want to change the text here, I can say move ahead 2 instead of, or move ahead 1, make it very slow, go back to start, lose a turn for text for the 5th block, lose a turn, go back to start. And then all we have to do is click on make it. And there it is. All you need to do is take a video of actually making this. Then you can print it and click on the green to print it. Save it as a PDF. And then download that and add it in. Add the PDF, if you like, in your post when you add the link to the video of making this. That's all you have to do. Now I think I've got landscape. Let me choose portrait. Save it to my drive and then upload it. That's it. At the bottom here you can choose different shapes. The one we've chosen is the galactic, but you can choose fantasy park or back to race and create a board game. Thanks for listening. See you soon.